Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel again. On this video, let us explore mechanical surface grinder. Stay tuned, don't touch that dial.
Up and grind that down, and this is a stop and on, right? For wheel. Okay, and this is emergency, and this is for stop, hydraulic and on hydraulic, and this is for magnet. This is magnet on and magnet off. It moves this way, right? And this is manual wheel, manually for diagonal, right? And this is for automatic, auto, right? And this is manual diagonal, and this is automatic diagonal. Okay, this is the automatic diagonal, and this is the light. Okay, and the liquid we are talking about, the fluid we are talking about, is what we are seeing here. It's coming out from the pipe there. Okay, you can see it's for lubricant, right? To stop friction. You can see the tank is here. The tank is here. You can see the return, and this is the tank, right? Yeah, this is the tank that holds the liquid, and this is the pump that pump it to the other side, and this is the return after being used. So for how long will this stay here? The liquid? 3 months before it can change it. Thank you so much. This is a surface grinder. It is used for finishing job, right? Surface finishing, and it is actually used for plain surfaces, not for rough surfaces. So we use them in machine parts, machine tools technology. Thank you for watching this video.